Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your guy Master Traveler, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to apply and get a free flight reservation for all your visa purposes, either Schengen visa, Canadian visa, UK visa, or any other kind of visa that the consular officer requires you to have a return flight. So in this video you get to know how to get the return flight for free without booking the actual ticket. Guys, remember to subscribe to my channel and tap on the notification bell so that anytime I upload an interesting video, you get a notice and you watch it. Thank you. Remember, everything Master Traveler does here is absolutely free and is for educational purposes only. Don't let anyone use Master Traveler's name to dupe or scam you. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, type ethiopianairlines.com. ethiopianairlines.com. That is the flight we are going to use. So wait for it to load. ethiopianairlines.com. All right. Once it opens, now we have flight. So let's select flight. We have flight. Let's select flight and our destination and our departure. So the departure, we are going to depart from Accra. So we will select Accra. We will select Accra. And where are we going? We are going to Canada. So wherever you are going, you select, and the airport of arrival, you select the date. So we are using the upcoming conference as a reference. Remember, we need a two-way round, okay? Because you have to show the visa officer that you will return, so you don't have to use a one-way. So you select departure date and a return date. Okay. In September, flights or seats are usually scarce because there are a whole lot of travelers, students going to school, workers resuming from summer vacation. So you have to book your flight in advance. So this is the date we've selected, 10th September to 25th September. Let's see if these two dates are available. Let's wait patiently for it to load. Please wait while page is loading. All right. Flexible date. Select a departure date. Accra to Edmonton International, Canada. All right. So flight, no flight found for selected date. All right. So let's continue to flexible. Now we have so many dates available and others not available. So 10th is not available. So let's select 9th. 9th, that is Saturday. Good. So let's go back to search flight. Now we have the flight with different prices. We have economy with price ranging from 1,583 USD. Okay, so EcoFlex, that is what we are going to select. Remember, this is for visa purpose. This is not the actual booking or actual ticket. This is for only visa purpose. So let's just go for the less expensive one. So that was the departure. Now select your return. Select your return. So Monday 25th September. Let's select the less expensive one. Good. 564. So that is return. So that is what the consular officer wants to see. For a faster checkout or continue as a guest. So we are going to continue as a guest. Now we will input our data. Name you enter must match with your passport and name change not allowed once booking completed. Please use English characters only. Right, so Miss Ama, and the last name, let's put Adai. Year of birth, let's select 1998. Month, we will select January, and the day will be 1st. Additional contact information, so they require us to have telephone number, our mobile number, and then an email address. The email address, that is where we will receive our flight booking or the reserved booking. So you click on it and wait for it to load. Now once it loads, they will require you to select your seat. Selecting this seat comes with additional cost, so you have to skip because our motive is just to get a reserved flight booking for our visa purpose. You don't have to buy the actual ticket, because if you buy the actual ticket whilst your visa is still under process, it is not a good thing. Here we are going to skip as well because we don't require these Wi-Fi or whatever for our flight, for our visa application. All right, so trip summary. Now this is where we are interested. Book now, pay later. Book now, pay later. So let's take that option. Very good. Now we scroll down to complete payment. Remember, we've not made any payment. We selected pay now, book now, pay later option. So we never paid a penny. So take note, transaction in progress. Okay, so now confirmation on hold, Accra to Edmonton, Canada. So let's quickly go and check into our email. So we check into the email because that is where we are going to receive the booking. Now we have it. Ethiopian Airlines, your seats have been reserved. You click on it and you scroll down. There is the itinerary, take off, and when you land, scroll down to the very last page. Yes, one attachment. So travel reservation September 9. You click on it and it will download. Once it is done, open it, and that is all. So this is your reserved flight bookings. Don't go and pay huge sums of money to agencies or third parties. You can do it for free. You can do it by yourself for free without involving any other person. All right, don't forget to subscribe to my page and tap on the notification bell so that anytime I upload such an informative video, you will not miss. Thank you. Don't forget to share if you enjoy watching my videos.